Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So today I have an indicator. I have this is just a normal moving average indicator. We'll use it to analyze various charts. We'll start off with a Brent oil. So based on this indicator, if you check the daily chart, you can see that we are in some uptrend. From this point here, the price has been very much bullish. So we've seen price continue up. It hit this high, came back down, went up, and as we're speaking now, the price has again gone below the same moving average. So what could happen is that the price may likely continue down slightly, maybe up to this point here, before it continues upwards. It may likely even break beyond this level. This is 118.304. It may break above this point, then continue up, at least up to this level here. So if you're on this chart as we're speaking now, you want to wait for price to either pull back to this point here before it can continue to the upper side, at least up to this resistance level here. So basically, this will give us a good place to look for a buy from. This is an ideal place we want to look for a buy position from. We are expecting buyers to push price upwards with our first take profit here. The next profit line we have at the top here. So that's my opinion on the Brent oil. Let's check the 1 hour chart and see what we expect there. So on the 1 hour chart so far, we have an arrow pointing upwards, but I won't recommend you look for a buy as it is right now. My idea is that the price may likely pull back at least up to this point here, so that we look for a sell when the price gets to this level here. So we had a support, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support, there is a break below, there's a resistance, there's a resistance. If the price can come up and touch this level, then this will give us a good place to look for a sell from. So basically, this will be the ideal place where you want to look for a sell from. The next instrument is the SP500. So with the SP500 so far, the price has been in a very good uptrend. We've seen price extend itself much higher. So there are no clear horizontal levels on this chart except for this line here. So this is a very, very good resistance. We had a support here, there is a break below, there is a pullback, there is a pullback. So this is a resistance, this is a resistance, this is a resistance, and then there is a break above the same resistance. So as it is now, you can see we had a good buy signal here. So basically, we are looking forward for the price continuing in that direction. We expect that the price needs to pull back at least up to these two lines so that we pick a buy position up to around 4750.3. So if the price pulls back and touches this level, then this will be a good place to look for a buy from. We are expecting buyers to push price upwards up to this level here. The next instrument is gold. We check the daily chart. It looks like on the daily chart we are sellers because we have an arrow here. There's a buy arrow, there's a sell arrow. So we have a level there that is a very good support. So while we continue to see price sustain itself above these two lines, this is 1916.06 and 1911.79, we actually do expect buyers to continue to push price upwards with a first target fixed at this level. This is 1959.36. The next target is this one here. So basically, we are looking forward for more buy position. We are expecting buyers to continue pushing price upwards, at least up to this level here. We have another target, this one. So if the price goes up and touches this level, we'll be looking for a sell. If the price continues up to this point, if it breaks beyond this level, then the next target is this one. If it breaks above this level, then the next target is the one you have at the very top. The next instrument is the US dollar Japanese yen. So this chart, this is bullish. We were biased because we had a signal here for a buy. So as it is now, the price actually has gone below. There is no green line, but we've not seen a red line. So that could mean that the price is still extending to the upper side. It's the same thing as this point. We had a red arrow, a red candle, but there was no red line. So the price still continued up. The same thing could happen here. So we may see price continue upwards in the 4-hour time frame. But if you check the 1-hour chart and lesser time frame, you can see that there's chances that the price may actually sell off. But we do have some shapes here. Have that. And then we have that there. So we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a support, we have a support, and we have a support here. There's also another level here. We also have another level at this point here. So technically, these are the places we'll be looking at price at. We'd like to see price come back up and touch this level, this line here, then bounce off from it to the lower side. If the price breaks beyond this level, then we'd like to sell it off when the price touches this upper trend line. So either we sell it from this point, or we wait and sell it when the price touches this trend line here. The next symbol, this is GBP USD. With the GBP USD so far, we have an active downtrend. You can see it from this point. We did have a very good support, a level there. So you have a support, you have a support, you have a support. There is a break below. There is this pullback. We had a resistance here. So if the price can come back and touch these two lines, then that is going to give us the correct place to look for a sell from. So we just want to wait and see what happens. If the price can come back and touch this level, then this will give us the best place to look for a sell from, at least up to this point here. So these two lines are the places where we expect price to go up to, so that we look for a sell from. My next instrument I'm going to look at is Euro USD. So let me locate it here. We have it somewhere here. Euro USD so far, also we are in a pullback. The price is pulling back to the upper side, but there's a level here which looks very good. We have a level there. It was used previously as a support. We had a support. There is a break below, and then we had a resistance here. We have another resistance, a support here. So a resistance, had a support, we had a support. If the price can touch this level but does not close beyond it, then this will give us an ideal place to look for a sell from. So basically, we are waiting for sell positions. We'd like to see what happens. If the price does not clearly break below this, above this level, this should give us the best place to look for a sell from. We'll sell it there, expecting the sell to push us down at least up to this point here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.